Hey guys, what's up? This is part 2 of the new accessories for the Aerox. So I give you fender bolts, a huge demand for this item. So there are all 5 colors available. There's a gold, there's a red, there's a blue, there's a black and a silver. So these are plug and play fender bolts. Basically the front fender, there are 2 bolts on the left, 2 bolts on the right. So you just have to remove them and place them with them, replace them with this. They are completely plug and play and give the Aerox a very nice and a clean look, a mean look also. ये आपके फेंडर बोल से ये आपके जो फ्रंट फेंडर है उस पर एग्जैक्ट जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट साइड पे 2 स्क्रूज है वो निकल के इस पर लग जाएंगे. पिछली बार ये सेट में मंगाया था, अभी मैंने इसको इंडिविजुअली मंगाया है. पिछली बार तो देयर वाज अ ह्यूज डिमांड फॉर दिस. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल बी दिस टाइम. होपिंग इट विल बी अ गुड डिमांड फॉर दिस. बट अगेन एज यूजुअल न्यू आइटम्स, न्यू थिंग्स एंड न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. Okay guys, let's continue. Next we have is the Gani Custom Winglet. This is not a new item, but it's the most demanded item. So basically it fits right under the headlight, and then you can fix the auxiliary lights and you're good to go. Many people are complaining with the throw of the headlight, it's not good. So this is a feature that you can put, and it's completely plug and play. These wires are easy to bolt on. You can just simply connect it to the mobile charging point in the Aerox given, and that's it. The nuts and bolts are all provided with this, and you're good to go. If you're worried about your warranty, then I will not suggest you to put this. But if you're not cutting any wires, if it's plug and play, there's going to be no problem with warranty. But and if you want any help regarding the installation, you can just give me a call and I will do so. Okay guys, okay, let's move on. Next we have is a non-Aerox product. This is a new suspension for your SR 160 or 150. I still have to test it out, and let's see, hoping, fingers crossed, that it's really good. And again, this is from KTC. All KTC products, as you all know, are very good. So let's hope for the best, and as soon as I'm done with the testing, I'll post a video about it soon. Okay guys, let's continue. So as we continue, back in demand, back in stock, the most famous, your radiator spinners. And now the big brother has come, the ARM spinner radiator covers. Okay, I need to remove this and this to show the effect. Very nice. Okay, so again these are available in 3 colors: a silver, a red and a blue. And your regular spinner covers are also available in all colors. Nice, yeah, so nice. So basically these are your self-revolving radiator fan covers. As the Aerox moves, so will they. And looks really nice. And another thing, so a lot of you are complaining that if you put the spinners, the upper part of the radiator part is visible and doesn't look nice. So we got again ARM front top covers. I don't know exact what they are called, but I'm calling them top covers. So you can put the radiator spinners, and then you can put these covers, top covers on it, so that it gives a nice clean look for the Aerox. Okay guys, so let's continue with the next product. Continuing with the next product, the tank beds are back in stock. There's a huge collection over there. All colors are available. There are 2 designs, design 1, design 2. So available in all colors. There's nothing new about it, but a lot of people still ask me about it, so I'll just tell you what it is. This will go on the main tank lid. This will go on the top, this part will go on the bottom, and these 2 parts will go on the sides. ये आपके टैंक पैड्स के नए नए वो टैंक पैड्स है, और ये आपके टैंक का पूरा एरिया कवर करेंगे. बेसिकली ये आपका जो टैंक का लिड है उस पर जाएगा, और ये उसके दोनों साइड्स पे जाएगा. ये टॉप पे, लिड के जो टॉप में उधर जाएगा, और ये पार्ट उसके बॉटम में जाएगा. इसके पीछे 3M का टेप लगा हुआ है. आपको सिर्फ आपका जो टैंक का एरिया है उसको साफ़ करना है और इसको लगा देना है. वेरी इजी, आप खुद से भी कर सकते हो. एंड एरोक्स का जो आगे का जो टैंक एरिया, जो प्लास्टिक एरिया है, जो बहुत जल्दी स्क्रैचेस आ जाते हैं और गंदा दिखता है, उसकी लाइफ बढ़ाने के लिए एकदम ईजी, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. ओके गाइज, तो let's just continue with the next product. Next I give you is the voltmeter for your Aerox. Now this is a product of 9, which is a very reputed company. So now let me explain to you what exactly this is. Basically this is a voltmeter which will give you exact battery percentage. You will say that it's already there in the Aerox, we don't need it. Yes, but this will be continuously on. It will give you a perfect reading of the temperature of that particular day. But this is not the only feature that I'm most excited about. The most excited part is that this thing has a USB connection. So basically you can take the current from your stock the mobile, I don't know what to call it, yeah, mobile holder place, and then you can just connect it to this, and then you can connect any mobile to this because it's got a USB connection facility. It is waterproof. It has a USB charging point, and it has a voltage. It shows a voltage meter, and you can turn it on and off also whenever you want it. If it's not in use, you can simply turn it on and off. As you can see, it is see, it's written 3-in-1 voltmeter and USB, waterproof, voltage, temperature. Now, even though they're saying it's waterproof, I am not asking you to please test it out. If you take it from me and tomorrow something happens, I don't want to be blamed for it that you told me it's waterproof. I'm not asking you to test it in the rain or use it in the rain. Yes, it's waterproof, but do not do the charging in the water in the rain. That's what I'm trying to say. ये आपका एरोक्स का नया वोल्ट मीटर है. ये बेसिकली आपके प्लग इन पे है. आपके जो मोबाइल का सॉकेट का जो डब्बा होता है उसके अंदर से आप इसका कनेक्शन लेकर इसको आप दे सकते हो. आपके इसके साइड मिरर्स पे इसको आप हैंग कर सकते हो. इसके अंदर यूएसबी चार्जिंग का फैसिलिटी है. आप इसको यूएसबी से कनेक्ट करके आप अपना मोबाइल चार्ज कर सकते हो. एंड इसके अंदर वोल्ट मीटर है. बेसिकली आपका बैटरी का वोल्टेज बताता है और आपका टेम्परेचर बताता है कि उस दिन का क्या टेम्परेचर चल रहा है. वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट एंड वेरी यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट एंड फ्रॉम अ वेरी रेप्यूटेड कंपनी. ओके गाइस, लॉट्स ऑफ देम. डू लेट मी. Next we have some new horns for your Aerox, original Denso product. And if you know Denso, you know the product has to be very good. So basically, all those who are complaining that the horn of the Aerox is not that great, you can just put this new Denso horn, and then you can enjoy horning away. Don't be too horny. But this is a very good product, and I'll be soon posting a detailed video on this also. Okay, as you can see, we got plenty of stock. We got 2 boxes over there and here. So do let me know about this. ये आपका नया हॉर्न है डेंसो का. अगर आपका पुराना हॉर्न खराब हो गया या अगर आपको आपका स्टॉक हॉर्न बहुत स्लो लगता है तो आप उससे रिप्लेस कर सकते हो. वेरी पावरफुल, इट्स वेरी नाइस, एंड इट्स अ ओरिजिनल डेंसो प्रोडक्ट. ओके गाइस, लेट्स मूव ऑन. So next we have a very very useful product. Now let me explain in detail what this is. Your front indicators, when you give it a yellow or when you give it the indicator, it's only turns yellow, and when you switch it off, it's just completely off. Now these are LED bulbs which will be replaced directly in the panel, but the bulbs in the panel are halogen and not LED. So I am giving you the LED socket also for them. So basically in this will go this part, the LED part, and this is a plug and play socket wire which will go directly, and which will give you can just remove your old wire and just replace it with this. Let me just give you a small demonstration. Hold on. So this is your front indicator panel, right? Now this is where the bulb goes. So instead of that, you can simply put these holders, LED holders. That's it. The bulb, the LED will go in the holder, and this is fixed, and this will go in your harness. So it's a very useful thing. It gives a great brightness and gives a very nice look also. And the best part is it's available in 4 different colors. So we got a red and yellow, we got a purple and yellow, and we got a blue and yellow, and a white and yellow. So let me make it one more thing clear. The light will always remain on once you turn on the bike, like your rear end. But when you give the indicator, it will turn yellow. Okay, so do not get confused. आप प्लीज़ समझ जाना, पहले वीडियो अच्छे से देख लेना जो मैं बोलने का ट्राई करो. सो बेसिकली क्या है कि ये आपका जो आगे का फ्रंट इंडिकेटर है उसके अंदर ये जाके बैठेगा. ये ऐसे इजीली प्लग एंड प्ले है, एंड ये एलईडी इसके अंदर जाके बैठेगी. और जब भी आप इसकी गाड़ी ऑन करेंगे तो ये कंटिन्यूस ऑन रहेगा. और इसमें कलर ऑप्शंस क्या है, या ये वाइट या ब्लू या येलो, और सॉरी वाइट ब्लू पर्पल या रेड परमानेंट रहेगा. और जब आप इंडिकेटर देंगे तो येलो हो जाएगा, या सिर्फ वाइट इंडिकेटर पे येलो, या सिर्फ रेड इंडिकेटर पे येलो, या सिर्फ येलो पर्पल और इंडिकेटर पे येलो, या तो सिर्फ ब्लू और इंडिकेटर पे येलो. ओके गाइस, तो इट्स रेडी है, कुछ भी नहीं करना है, प्लग एंड प्ले है. पुराना निकाल के ये नया लगा देना है. ये आपको मैं पैकेज में सेंड करूँगा, सो आपको कुछ ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है गाइस. हो सके तो इसका भी एक वीडियो मैं डाल दूंगा. ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू. Next we have is the most demanded item, the Nemo seat. Let me just open it up for you and give you a nice look. So this is what the seat looks like. 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 It is very good looking, very good finish. The quality of materials and everything on this is very premium. I'm not asking you to compare it to any other seat, but the cushioning is much better. People to whom the seat has already gone have recommended this seat as much better. You can see the overall finish of the seat. It's a Nemo product and it's completely waterproof also, and it's much comfortable than a stock seat. Now, the front portion of the seat is inclined, so it gives a nice bucket, doesn't let you slip forward at all, and has a backrest to it, so it gives you a very nice support to the back. So overall, the seat is very nice. Let me give you a nice angle of it. And yes, you can simply just, it's a completely plug and play. You just remove your stock seat and you can put the new seat in. Okay guys, ये नीमो का नया सीट है एरोक्स के लिए, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है, वाटरप्रूफ भी है और डायरेक्ट स्टॉक रिप्लेसमेंट है। आपको खाली पुराना सीट निकाल के नया सीट निकालना है, आगे स्लिप नहीं होने देता आपको, एकदम ही कंफर्टेबल है। एक ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड प्रोडक्ट है और लोगों से बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक मिला हुआ है इसके बारे में। एक बैकरेस्ट भी है, पीछे पिलियन के लिए ज़्यादा कुशनिंग भी है। ओके ओके गाइस, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड विद द नेक्स्ट आइटम। Guys, I want to show you a bit more products, but I'll make a third video. I'm a bit tired right now, so just showing you what all has come. GPL lights, we got MHR fork sliders and frame sliders, we got black diamond foot pegs, and a lot of levers, RCB levers, KTC levers, and huge lot of suspensions. We got RCB VD series, we got RCB Flow Pro, KTC Evo, KTC Extreme, KTC Razor Pro, and these three boxes are yet to be opened. There's no space in my office anymore. Huge pile of carbon CVT covers, filter covers, and all that. Disc brakes. We got bar ends, REM caps. We got top racks. We got a tank bag, and so that's a very good big surprise. You guys, some of you know it. And so we got GPS mounts. So let me just make a third video, and we'll continue after that. Yes, okay guys, let's end the second video on this, and we'll continue with the third video a little bit later. Okay guys, thank you, thanks for watching.